Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Shruti. I would like to invite the informative. Raise your hands and repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
stand straight and repeat after me.
Me,
The people
the
of India.
people of India,
Today, one of the day is a national student life.
Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers and my dear friends. Today is Wednesday.
Good morning, everyone. Today's student life is on April 23. Assam is the fifth.
who cares? It's just a rapper. Yes, it doesn't matter.
Yes, it does matter. Our country is our home. Keeping it clean is our responsibility. Real nationalism begins with small actions.
Yes, you are correct. Sorry,
Let's talk about some plans. What are your future plans?
I want to go abroad and settle there. Yes, there is nothing good here.
Why not make our country better? If everyone will think like this, we will make our country better. Real nationalism isn't making our country better.
We are the future of our country.
country. Making it stronger and
Better
better
it is.
responsibility. Our action defines our
Our
patriotism. Jai Hind.
University, who is your president? Correct answer. Second question is, who founded the Indian National Congress?
Jai Bharat Mata, Punjab